Did you know that if there's a puddle in your yard around your swimming pool, there is a test that you can do on that water that may confirm that that is a swimming pool leak? A lot of people think you can test it for chlorine, but if you think about it, if water's passing through dirt, the organics in that dirt are going to burn the chlorine right out of that water. But one identifying factor that only pool water has is stabilizer, conditioner, CYA. No other water has CYA in it. So if you test that water for CYA and it has CYA in it, then that's 100% pool water, guaranteed. So if there's a puddle in your yard and you're not sure if it's a pool leak or possibly an irrigation leak, test the water in that puddle for CYA. If it has CYA, I guarantee you it is a pool leak. If it doesn't have CYA, it's either not a pool leak or somehow, if the CYA was low in the pool also, there's just not enough CYA to be tested in the puddle.